Good afternoon, class 9. Today we will study about the nervous tissue. Here we have to study about the structural and functional unit of nervous tissue. That one is the neuron. Their different parts and their functions we will study today. Okay children, let's start today's lesson. Nervous tissue. This is the last part of the tissue chapter, second chapter of the biology. So children, this about the nervous tissue I have explained in the previous also. A tissue which is specialized to transmit messages in our body is nervous tissue. Brain, spinal cord and nerves are all composed of nervous tissue. It contains highly specialized unit called neurons. The impulses travels from one neuron to another neuron. While traveling the neuron, messages in the neurons, one neuron to another, in between the two neurons there is a gap. Such gap is known as synapse. S-Y-N-A-P-S-E, synapse. Children, remember that the gap between the two neurons is known as synapse. So children, you can see here, each neuron has following three parts. The cytone or cell body. You can see this one, okay, cytone or cell body, which contains a central nucleus and cytoplasm with characteristics deeply stained particles called Nij's granules. Okay, you can see here in the diagram. Next part is the dendrons or dendrites, which are short processes arising from the cytone. Okay, this portion is the dendrites, and further branching into dendrites. Another one is the third one is the axon. Okay, you can see here in the middle, from here it is come long tube like structure. This one is the axon. The axon, which is single long cylindrical process of uniform diameter. It forms fine branches. Terminally is such twig-like branch of axon end in a swollen structure called synaptic nerve or bottom. Bottom contains acetylcholine field vesicles. Okay children, this one axon is also called nerve fibers. This one is also known as the nerve fibers. The main functions of this neuron is the dendrites receive impulses and the axon takes impulses away from the cell body. Okay, this one is the dendrites. It receives whatever impulses or messages, and this axon, the main functions is to take impulses away from the cell body. From here to here it carry, and again it transmit to the another neuron. Here is suppose joined to the another neuron, and it is the gap between the two neuron. That gap is known as the synapse. So children, here is the differences between axon and dendrite. First, axon, it is long uniformly thickened fiber-like process of a neuron. It is always covered with a sheath, so it carries impulses away from the cell body. Next, dendrite, it is short tapering process of a neuron. A sheath is absent. It carries impulses towards the cell body. So children, go through this all and answer these questions. Draw labeled diagram of a neuron. If you have already done, avoid it. Otherwise, you have to do it in your copy. Name the gap between two neurons. Distinguish between axon and dendrite. Okay children, good luck. This is the last part of the chapter tissue. Okay, next we have to do question answer all complete. Whatever problem, you will inform to me.